How to disassemble Hot Wheels. If you have ever wondered how to take apart your Hot Wheels cars, you are in for a treat. Disassembling these collectible diecast cars can be a fun way to modify or restore them. Whether you want to clean, paint, or upgrade your cars, knowing how to disassemble them is essential. Let's get into the details of this process. Most Hot Wheels cars are held together by two small metal rivets located on the underside of the chassis. These rivets are not like screws, they are designed to stay put. To start, you will need a small drill and a couple of drill bits. The commonly used sizes are 5/64 of an inch and 5/32 of an inch. Begin by carefully drilling out the heads of the rivets. It is best to start with the smaller bit to create a pilot hole. Once you have that done, switch to the larger bit to remove the mushroom-shaped head of the rivet. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the plastic chassis or the metal body of the car. After you have removed both rivet heads, the body and chassis should come apart. If they do not separate easily, you can use needle nose pliers for gentle leverage. Be cautious not to bend or break any components, especially the axles. Once you have successfully separated the parts, you will typically have four main components: the metal body, plastic chassis, plastic windows, and plastic interior. This method of disassembly is popular among collectors who want to modify their Hot Wheels cars. It opens up a world of possibilities for custom paint jobs, wheel swaps, and other design changes. Some collectors even replace the original rivets with small screws. This makes reassembly much easier for future modifications. For those in the toy and doll collectibles community, this process is a practical way to personalize and maintain your collection. Always work carefully to keep the integrity of the car intact, especially if it is a rare or valuable model. Knowing how to disassemble and reassemble Hot Wheels cars can be a handy skill for anyone interested in customizing or restoring these iconic toys.